Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can look out Instagram account from another device. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all we have to go to our Instagram profile. We can click on this profile button and click on this three lines on the top right. Alright, and select the account center right here. Okay, and here we have a couple of options, and we need to scroll down a little bit and click on the password and security. Okay, to log out from another device, you have to change your password. But if you don't want to change your password, you can click on this where you're logged in. Okay, and these are my Instagram account. I have logged into this phone, and since I have logged into multiple accounts, so there are some accounts right here, and I'm going to select one of them. I'm gonna go with this one. Alright, and this is my account login activity. This is logins on other devices, and we can select the device we want to log out from. So I'm going to look out from this device, for instance. We can click on it, then we can click on log out. Okay, and after that, your Instagram account will be automatically logged out from this device. Alright guys, and that's how we can log out Instagram account from another device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.